So the frog is taking longer to slip, for the slip to be ready than we expected. Why is that?
The volume of the clay and the fact that it takes a lot of moisture, it takes a while to pull the extra moisture out. To give you an idea, I'm going to tip this. Now this was filled clear to the top, and you can see approximately how far down the clay has already gone. That's water going out of it.
And that water's absorbed into the plaster.
Into the
it's
clay.
not gone some other place,
Right.
right? All right.
It's still right there.
And so you said you want to keep it going for a little bit longer.
Right.
How you said the water should be down to about there?
Well,
Is that
no,
right?
yeah, down, because the top of the actual piece is somewhere right around my finger, so it's got a little ways to go down yet.
Right. If the mold went all the way to the very top edge, we'd have a really thin part at that top edge.
Yeah.
Right. But what we've got is the pour spout, and the liquid has gone down so that it's just at the edge of the pour spout, and past the frog. And if we had a piece that didn't have as much of a pour spout, we might actually want to add some more slip at this point to make sure it didn't have a thin spot.
Yeah.
All right.
And
So
I have done that too with this frog. He just takes a while because
yeah.
he's about the size of a large coffee cup when it's in the mold.
So you've got another mold that you've been working on as well. This is the cup that
This is a
we
coffee
worked on.
cup that I had just to show, because you can't just open the mold. You have to actually pour the clay back out of there into the clay container.
And I see you've done that on a tray so you don't get the table all wet.
Right. So much easier to wash a tray.
So then this has to, can you flip it over right away, or does it have to sit for a little
It
bit?
actually needs to set a little bit, because if it doesn't, you can see how the clay inside will actually leave thick spots and lumps.
Right, so leaving it to drain.
Yeah, so
Now,
you leave it setting up to
have you
drain.
ever had trouble with the pieces pulling out when you flip them? Because I've sometimes had to drain them at a bit of an angle so that they don't kind of pull down the floor.
Yeah.
The inside of right here.
Right. Pouring slow is good. I haven't had a problem with them.
Right.
If you have a decent floor in there,
All right.
then they hold well. But that
Now,
one was just
can we
to
open
show.
this right away?
We could,
No.
but we'd have slip all over the
Yeah,
table.
there we go. So we're definitely going to let this sit for a while before it's ready. And the frog is also going to sit for a while. And we just kind of, it's one of those things where we just kind of have to watch the clay, check the wetness. One of the things that is tricky about working with slip or clay is sometimes it's too wet or too dry for what you want to do, and you have to be able to spend some time with it and let it get to its right stage.